quick walk around video of YE16OKD mineral grey 320D M Sport, just fitted with our gloss YE16 Pefromance kit. See the M3 M4 style wheels there, gloss splitter. This one's fitted with LED headlights. We've got genuine BMW 9403 M wheels, privacy glass. It's a nice close up of the paintwork there. It's mineral grey metallic as well. Sidebars and performance decals. Wheels are unmarked in gloss black. This is a facelift model, LED rear lights, automatic boot, split open tailgate as they all have, automatic tailgate, performance star diffuser. Take a look inside the car. I've got the black coated leather, electric lumbar support, electric folding mirrors, automatic LED headlights. 50,927 miles on this one. Automatic headlights, automatic wipers. There we go, professional sat nav, first service log. 3 BMW visits, and we have just carried out an oil inspection service on it, so it's all up to date. Automatic gearbox. This is the widescreen sat nav, which is currently in split mode. It's got a DAB radio, hard disk drive, Bluetooth audio, media interface. Original handbooks there. Just a quick look around the interior. Very tidy condition. Driver's seat there. Rear seats. Very good looking car. Just in today. Any questions, queries, please email, WhatsApp, text, or give us a call. Thank you.